Hi, friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking, and Card Making. Today's the day that I choose my hidden giveaway winner for the Spellbinders booklet binding etched die set by Paul Antonio. That was a mouthful. It just so happens that I have an extra set of these dies, so this set of dies goes to one lucky winner. And in the comment section of my Traveler's Notebook inserts tutorial, I mentioned that this would be a hidden giveaway and all you needed to do was to be a visible subscriber and to leave me a comment. So this week's winner is, drum roll please, Miss Shabby Pink House. Christine, please send me an email with your address so that I can send you your prize package. And as I've mentioned before in one of my recent videos, I will be conducting more hidden giveaways simply because my craft room is bursting at the seams. And all you have to do is just keep an eye out for my videos and be a visible subscriber and just place a comment in my videos, and a thumbs up does help. And yeah, because you never know who I may be drawing next. Thank you for watching and enjoy your weekend. Bye.